Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself first. My name is Devi Noviana. I'm from 12 Science 4, absent 11. Now I will explain about factual report and biography. I hope you will pay attention. So let's get started.
Factual report and biography by Devi Noviana, absent 11, from 12 Science 4. First, we talk about factual report. What is factual report text? Factual report text is a text that explains some factual information related to particular objects, matter or things which are based on factual occurrence and scientific and observatory. Purpose is present information about something. They generally describes an entire class of things, whether natural or made. Generic structure. There is two generic structure for factual report text. The first is general classification, statement that describe the common subject of the report, common description and classification. And the second is description, tells what the phenomenon under discussion in terms of parts, qualities, habits, or behaviors. Language features. There is 6 language features for factual report text. First, nouns and noun phrases are used rather than personal pronouns. The use of personal pronouns is limited. Second, most reports are written in the present tense. Third, use some passive voice. The next is some reports use technical or scientific terms. Linking verbs are used: is, are, has, have, belong to give coherence. And descriptive language is used that is factual rather than imaginative. Color, shape, size, body parts, habits, behaviors, functions, and uses. I have an example of a factual report text. The title is Javan tiger. The Javan tiger, Panthera tigris sandaica, is an extinct tiger subspecies that inhabited the Indonesian island of Java until the mid-1970s. Javan tigers were very small compared to other subspecies of the Asian mainland, but larger in size than Bali tigers. They usually had long and thin stripes, which were slightly more numerous than those of the Sumatran tiger. The male Javan tiger had body length of 248 cm and weight between 100 and 141 kg. Females were smaller than males and weighed between 75 and 115 kg. Their nose was long and narrow. Occipital plane remarkably narrow and carnassials relatively long. Based on this cranial difference, the Javan tiger was proposed to be assigned to a distinct species, Panthera sandaica. The next, we talk about biography. What is biography text? Biography text is a detailed description or account of a person's life and written by someone else. It is non-fiction text. Function. There is two functions of biography. The first, to know a person's story about his or her life outside of any accomplishments this person may be known for. The second is to give many information easily and educate the readers. Characteristics. Biography is not written by subjects and always written in third person. Based on research. Describe the person's surroundings, where, when, and how the person lived. Generic structure. There is three generic structure of biography text. The first is orientations. It is the opening paragraph. Gives the readers the background information of the person. The second is events. It presents a series of events usually told in chronological order. Here, the writer might refer to a certain time online. The third is reorientation. It consists of conclusion or a comment or the writer tell about the achievement or the contribution of the person. Language features. A biographical recount uses specific names of the people involved in the biography. The next is, it is mainly written in simple past tense. The final paragraph could also include the present tense. The next, a biographical recount also uses liking word to do with time. And last, it is mainly written in simple past tense. The final paragraph could also include the present tense. Teku Umar. Teku Umar, born in Melebeh of Aceh Barat in 1854, is the son of a man named Ule Balang, Teku Ahmad Mahmud, from marriage to the sister of the king of Melebeh. He has two sisters and three brothers. Ancestors of Umar was Datuk Makhudum Sati, came from Minangkabau. He was a descendant of Radem Nansa, is representative of the Sultan of Aceh. In the reign of Sultan Iskandar Muda in Pariaman, one of the descendants Datuk Makhudum Seciever credit against the Sultan of Aceh, which at that time was threatened by a general records wants to seize power. Thanks to this service, that person was appointed with the title Ule Balang Six Mukim Tekunan Ranceh. Tekunan Ranceh had two sons, namely Teku Nansa Loyal and brutal Ahmad Mahmud. The death of Tekunan Ranceh, Teku Nanta Loyal, replacing his father as the Ule Balang Six Mukim, had a chapter named Cut Nyadin. Teku Umar, from small children, known as smart, brave, and sometimes scrappy with your peers. She also has traits that are harsh and unyielding in the face of the problems. Teku Umar never obtained formal education. Nevertheless, he was able to become a leader of a powerful, intelligent, and brave.
So far, I hope you understand about factual report and biography. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.